Hello, this is Brandon Ivey with some more Bitcoin news today. Bitcoin Brandon, and this one is all eyes are on China in the cryptocurrency world. Since China and Asia really, that region is the first to really take advantage of cryptocurrency and understand it. More than 40% of all cryptocurrency movement is happening from that region. They have the ability to affect the global cryptocurrency markets. And as we've seen the last week and a half, a lot of volatility has been happening because of news, actions, and rumors coming out of China. So let's look at this article here. It says China's Bitcoin trading volume rises significantly despite exchange ban talks. The daily trading volume of the Chinese Bitcoin exchange market has nearly doubled that of the U.S. Bitcoin exchange market, surging above 45,000 Bitcoins. For a brief period of time, the Chinese exchange market overtook the U.S. in terms of market share to become the largest Bitcoin market in the world for the first time since November of 2016. Although Bitcoin is being traded at around $4,000 in China, nearly $200 lower than the U.S. market, Chinese exchanges have demonstrated low trading rates for the Bitcoin to Chinese yuan pair throughout 2017. Immediately after the imposition of strict regulations and policies on Bitcoin trading platforms in 2016, investors stopped trading Bitcoin at a premium rate within the Chinese exchange market. One important indicator of the Chinese Bitcoin market's recovery, which investors must acknowledge, is the rapidly growing trading volume of the Chinese exchange and over-the-counter markets. Under normal circumstances, a massive sell-off should have occurred when reports from Caixin and the Wall Street Journal were released about the plans of the People's Bank of China, the central bank of the country, to suspend or ban Bitcoin trading platforms. The Wall Street Journal is a massively influential mainstream media publication in the global finance sector. But Caixin is a state-owned media company in China which has insider sources within the government and in the Chinese central bank. When the initial report of Caixin was released, the Chinese Bitcoin market crashed, bringing the price of Bitcoin down to the $4,000 region. Many analysts expected the release of Wall Street Journal's report to slow down the momentum of Bitcoin even further. But in contrary, Bitcoin has recovered to over $4,200 today, with the Chinese Bitcoin exchange market demonstrating high trading volumes and U.S. investors moving Bitcoin price upwards. More to that, within a single day, Bitcoin price in the Chinese exchange rose by 9.3%, while other markets such as the U.S., Japan, and South Korea remain stagnant. Momentum is rebuilding in China, despite the ongoing Bitcoin exchange ban talks and the PBOC's supposed introduction of plans to suspend Bitcoin exchanges indefinitely. Huobi, OKCoin, and BTCC, the three leading Bitcoin exchanges in China, have all stated that they do not believe the ban will be approved and are not even sure if it is the actual plan of PBOC. The three companies reassure their clients that they have not received any directives from PBOC and that they are willing to comply with any requests from the Chinese government and its financial regulators. The optimistic and confident approach from leading Chinese exchanges in regard to the rumors emerged due to the report of Caixin has started to trigger new upward momentum for the Chinese Bitcoin exchange market. More to that, the Chinese Bitcoin industry and market have regained trust over Bitcoin and its legal status in China. According to Bitcoin market data provider CoinDance, demand toward Bitcoin in over-the-counter and peer-to-peer Bitcoin markets such as local Bitcoins has actually increased over the past 2 weeks. It is still unsure whether the report of Caixin on the ban on Bitcoin exchanges is accurate and if the Chinese government is considering imposing a temporary suspension on its local trading platforms. However, the Chinese market has shown that it does not necessarily perceive the suspension as a threat. We'll see what happens in the future. Bitcoin Brandon out.